Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day 2 of our word sort number 123, and we're doing the 2-syllable homophones. And phone, you all know you like to talk on the phone, so they sound the same, and they are not spelled the same, though. They just sound the same. So this sort is different because we don't have any headers. We're going to look at our 2-syllable words, and we're going to see which ones are homophones. So we're going to sort them into groups. What I need you to do right now is go ahead and pause your video and lay out your cards the way mine are laid out. All right, now that you've laid out your cards, we're going to start with seller. This is a seller. I can see that the word sell is in it, and a seller is a person who sells something. So I have to find the other one that's a seller. So the easiest way to do that is read them. So please read them with me. Flower, idle, morning, seller. Oh, here's a seller. This seller is spelled with a C, so I know that this seller is the basement. My next one is flower, my next grouping. So I have flower, and I know this is the flower, the one we like to smell, the pretty one with the pretty colors. So I'm going to read again. Idle, morning, flower. I know this is the white one that we use to bake cookies with. All right, let's read the rest of them, see if there's any more flower. So this word is morning, idle, berry, petal, bury, merry, manner, merry, boulder, pedal. Manner, merry, boulder, pedal. Okay, no more flower. So I'm going to go with idle next because that's the next word on the list. Morning, morning, idle. So I know the idle with the O is the one that I admire. So the idle with the LE ending is the one where I don't do anything. I'm just stagnant. So when an engine idles, that means it's not moving the car, it's just humming away. You're kind of standing still. So when you idle in front of the computer, you're not doing your job. All right, morning. This morning, you see it has OU. So this is not the good morning. This is when someone died and you're sad about it. You're grieving that person. You're mourning. All right, here's another morning. This is the morning I say every morning to you. Good morning. And that is the morning. See, it does not have a U in there. All right, let's read the rest of the word. Berry, pedal, berry, Mary, manner, Mary, boulder, pedal, manner, Mary, boulder, pedal. Okay, no more morning. All right, then the next one we have is berry. I love strawberry. That kind of a berry is a yummy berry we can eat. So now I need to look. Pedal, berry. Ooh, this is the berry when you dig a hole in the ground and you bury something. Can be a person. You can also bury your gold. Who of you has gold to bury? Mary, manor, Mary, boulder, pedal, manor, Mary, boulder, pedal. Okay, no more. Then my next one is pedal. Pedal, Mary, manor, Mary, boulder, pedal. Manor, Mary, boulder, petal. So the one with the T is the flower petal. The pedal is what your bike has on the bottom where your foot rests on and you pedal away. To pedal something is when you're selling something and you're doing it on the slide by. All right, then we have Mary. Ooh, you know it's capitalized, so we know this is our name, Mary. Manner, Mary. Ooh, would you marry me? This is the marry of husband and wife when you go to church and you make a commitment to each other. Boulder, manner, Mary. And this is the Merry Christmas kind, or merry people. So it's kind of like happy. All right, then we have manner. And I can see that this is the other manner. So this is having good manners by being pleasant and saying good morning and please and thank you. This is the manner. Alexa, stop. This is the manner where I live. You know, that big manor house, the big castle kind of looking thing? I've never lived in one, but I heard they're cool. Then we have Boulder and Boulder. Do you see the difference? Is the U. So Boulder is when you're gutsy. You're more bold than the rest of them. You're bolder. This boulder is the big giant rock that might be sitting in your way. So the one with the U, giant rock. The one without the U, gutsy gutsy. And here are our words. Now that we've sorted them, go ahead and write them in your notebook, take a picture, and put them on Class Dojo. See you next time, my little friends.